Hello and welcome to this video on understanding inflation and its impact on investments. Inflation is a major concern for investors as it can greatly impact the value of their investments over time. In this video, we will discuss what inflation is, how it is measured, and the ways in which it can affect your investments. Make sure to drop us a like and a comment to help us reach as many people as possible with this valuable content. What is inflation? Inflation is a measure of the increase in the overall cost of goods and services in an economy over a specified period of time. It is often expressed as a percentage increase from the previous year. In other words, inflation measures how much more it costs to buy the same basket of goods and services from one year to the next. How is inflation measured? The most widely used measure of inflation is the Consumer Price Index, CPI, which is published by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. The CPI measures the average change in prices paid by consumers for a basket of goods and services, including housing, food, clothing, transportation, and medical care. Impact on inflation on investments. Inflation can have a significant impact on investments. The value of cash and other fixed income investments can be eroded over time by inflation. For example, if inflation is running at 2% per year, and you have a savings account that pays 1% interest, your purchasing power is actually decreasing each year by 1%. On the other hand, investments that have the potential to increase in value, such as stocks, can help to offset the impact of inflation and even provide additional income when placed in certain asset classes. Protecting your investments from inflation. There are several strategies you can use to protect your investments from the impact of inflation. One strategy is to invest in stocks or stock-based investments, which have the potential to increase in value as the overall economy grows. Another strategy is to invest in inflation-protected securities, such as Treasury Inflation-Protected Securities, TIPS, which offer a guaranteed return that is adjusted for inflation. That's all for today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for all future content. In conclusion, understanding inflation and its impact on investments is an important aspect of managing your finances. By taking steps to protect your investments from inflation, you can ensure that your purchasing power and financial goals are preserved over time. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of the role of inflation in finance and how you can take steps to protect your investments from its impact. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.